Hey there! Curious about Section 498A? We have got the answers you need right here. Section 498A is a crucial part of the Indian Penal Code, introduced to protect married women from cruelty by their husbands or in-laws. But what exactly does it cover or how is it used to? First off, under cruelty, under this section can include physical or mental harm, harassment for dowry, or any form of abuse that drives a woman to harm herself. It's a legal safeguard aimed at preventing domestic violence and ensuring justice for victim. Now, how does it work? When a complaint is filed under Section 498A, the police are required to investigate the matter thoroughly. If the allegations are found to be true, it can lead to the arrest of the accused and even trial in court. Penalties can include imprisonment for 3 years and a fine. However, it's important to know that Section 498A aims to protect. It's also been criticized for potential misuse. Some argue it can be used to falsely accuse someone, leading to legal complications. So, if you or anyone who is facing such issues, understanding Section 498A can be crucial. Always seek legal advice to navigate these waters truly. Thanks for watching. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more legal